3,500 views a day, 7 days after upload. That channel's median is 180 views a day, 19 times its own normal pace for a Stickman animation walkthrough. Nobody drew a Stickman. The whole thing is prompts. The format is one character, black lines, white background, one action per shot. Lumina generates the frames. 8 clips get stitched, the voice comes from a text box, and the build takes under an hour. No tablet, no keyframes, no animator. It works because the feed is drowning in cinematic AI slop. Photoreal flyovers blur together after 4 seconds. A stick figure reads at thumbnail size, survives a phone screen, and the audience knows in one glance what it is watching. The window is short. These clips started climbing 3 weeks ago. Formats like this run 6 to 10 weeks before copies flatten the ceiling. Call it 5 weeks of easy lift. Step 1. Lock the character first. Same head size, same limb thickness, same eye. Write it once. Paste it into every prompt. Consistency is the only thing separating this from a doodle. Step 2. Build a 3-pose reference sheet. Standing, walking, reacting. Feed it back with every shot, and the model stops redesigning your guy halfway through. Step 3. 1 camera move per shot. Push in or pan across. Ask for both, and the figure bends into soup. Step 4. Hide the joins. Cut on an action, never on a pause. For clips with matching line weight read as one continuous shot. Step 5. Carry it on sound. 1 whoosh on entry, 1 thud on impact, room tone underneath. Silent stick figures die at 8 seconds. Cost is 0. Free generations, free editor, free sound library. The hour you spend locking the character is the whole budget. The tool stops maturing by week 3. A readable character doing one clear thing on an empty background keeps working. Steal the metric. Pull a channel's last 30 uploads. Get views per day for each. Take the median. Divide any new video by that number. Above 5, someone found a format. Above 15, the format is still open. Run it monthly because the list moves fast. I run that on 2,000 channels every morning. Next week, I bring whatever crosses 10 times. The window is usually still open when I get there.